Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix the broken camera lens on the iPhone 7. So you can see here at the back the camera lens has been broken, so we're going to first we need to give it a good clean, and if there are any broken fragment you want to remove the glass fragment and make it all nice and clean around the edge here. Now there are some old adhesive stuck to the camera. You want to scrape it real good and remove any dirt on this lens. So here we just go around and give it a good clean. So this process may take some time, and just be patient. Go around and you want to give it a nice good clean around here. Okay, so just rub it off. Just rub off all the old adhesive. Just be careful that you don't get into the lens and damage the lens itself. So just give it a good clean around here. Make it nice and clean. Okay, so after it is nice and clean, I'm going to get this adhesive that comes with the camera lens that I bought online. So what we're going to do is we can take it off like this, and then we're going to place it onto the lens like that. And then kind of like push it down. Alright, so that sit down, and then we need to peel out the paper layer at the top. So you can see there is an adhesive layer on the outer ring, and then we're going to peel off this. So I've got a pack of 10. I'm just going to peel it off, and I'm just going to take out one lens. And then we're just going to place it on top of the adhesive. And then just simply use your thumb and swash it down. So push it down really nice and tight so that it sticks to the adhesive. And that's it. So now you have a brand new camera lens, and it is now not broken anymore. So I'm just going to give it a good wipe with the wipe right here. And that's it. So that is how you can replace a broken camera lens on your iPhone 7. This is the iPhone 7. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.